What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about fungus disease in the lawn, and in my case leaf spot. So guys, when spring temperature reach 55 to 60 degrees and there is a lot of moisture from rain or dew, fungus begin to grow and spread the spore by wind and water. As the water warmer up, the disease move into the second phase, which is called melting out. So as you can see here, I have a pretty bad situation going on in my lawn at this time. Let me see if I can show you. Here you go. Here, hopefully the camera is taking it. So that is a quite bad situation of leaf spot. The good news is that this disease can be treated in many cases, and the lawn fungus can be also prevented in the future. To be honest with you all, this is something that is going on since last year, and I had arrived quite late this year. I will attach a picture which shows what my lawn was in April, and basically I didn't expect then the situation becoming like this, but of course everything comes out with the experience. I'm sharing my experience with you guys. There are many factors that can be utilized and that can help to prevent the disease. First of all, one of the things I see many people doing wrong is that they water the lawn late in the evening, and this just means that the lawn itself it's remaining wet overnight, and this will just help the disease to spread. So water your lawn early in the days. As soon as the grass dries up after watering, the less chance it has of developing the lawn fungus. Sharpen your mower blades frequently, as the dull mower blades tear off the top of the grass leaves instead of cutting them, and leaving the blades more susceptible to developing the fungal disease. As a rule of thumb, remove no more than 1/3 of a grass side when mowing. Now, what can be done to prevent and to cure this disease? The only thing that we can do right now, in my case, is to apply a fungicide. Now, if you have watched my previous video, I had talked briefly that I applied already Scotts DiseaseEX 3 weeks ago. Today we are going to apply the Scott lawn fungus control. So guys, in my case, I am going to apply a curative rate for this for treat this fungus in this lawn, which is 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. What I would like to stress in this video as well is that when we apply any kind of product, the important thing is to read the label. Label is write everything that you guys need to know, and how to apply the product, what is the setting of the spreader that you need to use to apply, and to apply the product, and how many days apart from one application to another. Before we apply the product, we want to mow the lawn at least 2 days before we apply the product, and then after we apply the product, we want to wait at least between 2 and 3 days before we give a mow again. Another thing that I want to point out, if you see on the bag, it's right that the bag can treat up to 5,000 square feet. This 5,000 square feet, it's for at the preventative rate. But if we are going to use a curative rate, then this amount will reduce drastically, and we can treat only the 2,500 square feet. As always, guys, when managing chemicals, be minded on using the PPE. I am wearing gloves and long shirts and long pants for this reason today. Now, if we look on the bag, which setting I have to use for the correct application. In my case, I do have the Scotts DiseaseEX rotary spreader is at 4. So guys, without any further to do, let's apply the product. After we apply the product, the only other thing that we have to do is to water the product in. A quarter inch of water is just gonna be fine to let the product start to work. Now I want to give you also an update after a week that I have applied the Scotts Turf Builder triple action, and most importantly to the part of the weed killer. I have to say that overall I am happy with the product. On the weed control, it does have easy flow. After a week is not gonna be enough to say entirely if it's good or not. It will take time, but as you can see here, the clovers that they were here, they are starting to die, and there was a pretty big patch on here of clovers, which seems like the product has been taken care. This one are almost gone, and this one seems like they have been eaten by the product as well. Well guys, this is it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and see you to the next video. Thank you. Stay safe.